Yo, 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 yo. Sorry, mic was off. What's up, everyone? Hope you guys can hear me and see me, actually. Are you able to hear me? Can anybody confirm with the. There is. Okay, you guys can hear me, right? We got a couple of people here. And today we will be doing a very interesting problem, which I think I believe a lot of people might have seen this one. It's kind of a famous one, and also again, top interview. Top 150 interview questions is one of those ones. So let's get started. Let me take a transition. Okay. All right. Best time to buy and sell stock is the easy version. There is a medium level of this as well, but today we'll just do the easy one because I just want to make sure like at least we get the easy ones out from the top 150 interview problems. And these are majority of them say they are string and array, right? And that's how they are solved. But like they can be either solved with two pointers or other sliding window or a bunch of there are ways, right? So I want to complete our this one because we have done this longest. Last one is left. Rest all the easy ones from array and string are done for top 150 interview. Okay, and I'll post the link for this one so you guys can go and have a look. Alrighty. That being said, let's go over our problem. And let me open my obcdn. Newer version of Excel. Okay, that's fine. Yo, Idor, what's up, bro? How you doing? You can hear me, right? You can hear me properly? How you doing, my man? A very good morning to you. Yo, Ranj, what's up, homie? What's up, what's up? Yo, Idor, the one you sent, if I pay like the third for the third course as well, can we release them to the people? No voice? There is no voice? It says there is. This one says there is voice. Hello, hello, hello. You can hear me though, right? I don't. It's just French. Of course. Holy. But actually, interesting thing. Wrench. I don't know because this is what was asked by Rover, right? Regarding like doing some course and stuff. Regarding some course and stuff, if you want, like I will be in the Discord over the weekend doing Docker fundamentals and Kubernetes. That involves a lot of cloud things. So if you are interested in cloud as a developer and stuff, let me know and we can just I will be studying there. I will be online, so you can hang out. And if you have any questions about again cloud related, I'm there. Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Because I've been like, there is like so much data I got about Docker and stuff. I can release them to the gang. Yeah, yeah. I'm thinking because there is like one was blue team, one was red team, and one was about AI and some other stuff. But like I'm more interested in AI thing, and I think a lot of people will be benefited who are interested, including me. Because I want to learn like I want to buy the windsurf on the weekend, then I want to understand tokens and everything properly so that I am able to like implement some stuff. Yeah. So there will be hopefully Wrench, there will be some courses coming that you can look into, right? Thanks to my boy Idor here, we will be able to get some really good courses in for free. I will send you some SS. Sure. No, okay. We can discuss, yeah. But I thought there was AI mentioned. There was dark web and AI mentioned, but we can 100% look. Not a problem. Okay, okay. Whichever you feel is like not going to like create some really good, really big issues. I trust your guts in this. Oh, that's a premium $20 one. Hopefully we can buy with like if we get some. Yo, Idol, you have to download this game, man. Just download and play for 15 minutes. We will be able to buy the courses with this money. With this money, we will be able to buy it. Oh, you played? Oh, you played for 2 days. Interesting. Bro, because like it didn't get updated for me even. Like I know at least three people who downloaded, and you are there, like so the fourth person. But I was thinking to like, this is interesting. I need to talk to them then. I will talk to them. I will send the support like a message then because like I'll say two more people have downloaded. Where's the thing? Thank you for saying because I was just curious like what is it just me and stuff. Okay, so we good on that then. Hopefully we have this and then we have like I will be coming tomorrow online just so I can put this category and become eligible. No, there is nothing specific. It's just say I have to. These are my things I have to do. I have to mention ad and sponsorship and Roblox in the stream element, which I have done. Right, all those things are there. For you guys, install the game and play for 15 minutes. Nothing else. So that's one which is fine. Okay, like we'll talk to them and stuff. And whatever happens is fine. I'll go with Marvel Strike Force next, or like Heroes of History, because these are $20, $15. We will have $35 we can actually put towards like the next giveaway. And hopefully by Christmas, I really want like a good Christmas gift for whoever wins, or able to just release a bunch of free courses for anyone because those things are expensive. And I just don't like the fact how expensive learning is right now in the tech world. Like giving free credits, I will give them windsurf. Like I will say, okay, I will pay for your windsurf, you can get some stuff. Like we can actually smartly use money to do things and like reward everyone in this game, which that would be actually cool, right? That would be actually cool. So yeah, let's do that, and we can discuss however you want to use your $20, and we'll get that done. So that's that, right? Just couple of things to chat because Marvel Strike, I will start the sponsorship on Sunday, and as soon as other ones go, because this one ends tomorrow. So I have to just complete some streaming from their perspective. That's all. That's all from my side. Does that good? Like now, let's move towards the hacking. Let's move towards coding, where we do the best time to buy and sell stocks. Number 121. CH Roman will see Bhabi. I have no idea too, man. That's a good question. I hope soon. I hope soon. I am play now. Huh? What's that mean, bro? I'm sorry, I didn't get it. Oh, you're playing the game now, maybe? Don't download any of the games like Marvel Strike or those ones before like my link is active, because then they are no way to tell. Oh, okay, fuck you too. Sounds good. I thought you were part of the people. Oh, you're playing the game now. I see. I see. Write a Python program to construct the following pattern using the nested for loop. Okay, with the stars and stuff. I see. I see. I see. Yeah, he's playing a game like with like stars and programs. Okay. Yeah, sounds good. Time to oh, time to lock in, baby. Time to lock in. Okay. Best time to buy and sell stock. You are given an array prices, where prices I is the price of the given stock on the ith day. So price 1 will be the stock price on day 1. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. You cannot achieve any profit. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So we have to find first. It's an easy one, I guess. It's an easy one. Yeah. This is not that special of a problem, but like, here's the thing. It's like you buy. You first you have to buy, and then you have to sell. So first I buy 7, then I have to sell it on like 1. That would be great. No, sorry. I buy it on 1. Oh my god. It was all opposite. So I buy on 1 and sell it on, let's say, 6. So 6 minus 1, 5. We have to find like the lowest one out of this and then see what is the next one. Okay. Let's see. Because there are a couple of interesting things to look for, I guess, in this problem before jumping in. There is there is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Just because x4 is lowest doesn't mean like we first have to buy. That's like a couple of things to let's note down. Buy, sell, after buy. So we have this x1, x2 or something. How to find like what is the best way to do it, right? One is of course like a brute force method, which is O(n) square. It's probably the stupidest one. We want to try to achieve it in, let's say, O(n). I know what wrench you are about to say. Not that way. Not that number. We can't achieve it in that. We have to achieve in O(n). So O(n), how we will do it? Because there are possibilities that x1 might be bigger than x2. Let's say x3 is the smallest, right? Okay, we are locking in today. Okay, so let's say x1 is bigger than x4. But if we buy it on x1 and sell it on x3, the profit together is bigger than, let's say, x4 minus x5. Okay, so that's, I think, our big one. Thinking of like in a 2-pointer way, right? We have 1, 2, 3. These are indexes, not numbers. Indexes, right? So I start with I and j here, right? I take profit would be j minus I. Have to maximize this. So j will move first. Is new, like condition would be if j or current j minus current I greater than max, then this will be a new pair. If not, keep the max, right? And how we will move? How we will move? That's one. Off topic, but did you get the hand gripper? No, not yet, bro. Not yet. There is I and J. How we are? When should J move, and when should I move? I J. When should I and J move? That's the question. Send the link to the question. I will also do it. Okay, sure. I'm just thinking in the sense, when will I and J move? What would be the conditions that will make I and J move? When will J move? J keeps on moving when we select, let's say, start with I and J. We are doing I and J. Let's say J moves. New, what is J minus I? I have to find like the lowest J before this I. That's actually the clue. Lowest J for this I, right? So if that's our theorem, that's our way of thinking. So let's say if my I is 1, right? My I is 1, J, let's say, goes here. No. No. Let's say this is, I should change it from 1, 2, 3, 4 to x1, x2, x3. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. If I'm thinking in that format, we have I here, J goes here. Does it maximize? No. Is it lowest for J? No. Is this one, x2, lower than x1? That will make I move. If it is, then let's say if I comes here too, right? Then it goes here. Let's say x3 is greater than x2, right? The bottom ones will be J, the top one is I, right? x2 less than x1, then I moves. x3 comes here, x3 minus x2. Okay, I think I cracked it. I feel like x2, if it is bigger, no. If it is bigger than x2, J moves. What is this? Is it maximizes? No. Is x4 greater than x2? Yes. Does it maximizes? Yes. So J is this. J moves. It maximizes. New profit is x4 minus x2. And keep on going. Okay, I think let's think in that way, right? You have done this one before? Nice. So, like, let me think, like, the way I'm thinking. You can do this next version too. There's a next version of this. I don't know if you know about this. Have a look at this. This is where I'm picking up the problems. And there is best time to buy and sell stock 2, which is a medium level. This is what I'm thinking to do on Monday. We're going back, right? Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Dude, these because like NEET 150 was like no, like, but actually like NEET, bro. I will tell you this, Wrench. Like, you are my younger brother. I was doing lead code a lot. The only mistake I made when after like I joined my current company is that I stopped doing lead code. Do lead code. That's the only way. That's like a sure way for you getting into a good company. Like that's actually a sure way. Irrespective of where you want to go in cybersecurity or anything, you need to first go in a good company. Once you in a good company, right? Especially like Google and Amazon, there are chances for you to go into the team you like. Imagine you are part of Project Zero. Do you know Project Zero? Do you know about Project Zero? Do you know about Project Zero, Bus? Yeah. So that's how you get it. Because I have a friend in Google, right? He told me how things work. And this is exactly. Yeah. So Google's Project Zero. Legit Google's top cybersecurity team. It finds problems. This is like, I think it's probably the one that found when there was like issue with the new virus came with like which was using AI to self like make it itself better, right? And get undetected. This is the one, and their stuff is actually crazy, right? So what the person told me, right? And I will tell you exactly what he told me. Once you get into lead code is main. First lead code, right? This is the big one. Then is system designs a bit, but you need to learn lead code first. That's your step one. System design is two. System design is second. You need to be confident in these two things. Once you're confident, you are able to even speak, right? Once you get in Google, right, you are put on something called bench. Bench is like a place, and it's in every company, even my company has this. Benches is the time when like the talent in the company is not assigned to a project or a team, right? It's not making money, it's on bench. You will get paid during this time, but you're legit not doing anything. You good in the system now, that's great, man. But what I'm saying is, you are on bench, right? This is the time, right? This guy who I'm talking about, I can't take his name, but this guy went to, right, the cloud team, right? Instead of them approaching him, like, because during bench you can be approached by anyone, but if you're on bench and you approach someone with the things you say you are, right? No, bench is really bad, man. It sounds amazing. It's like it sounds really good, but bench is the worst thing to be on. Trust me, I was on bench is the worst thing to be on. A person like you and me who wants to, like, if you are spending time here, oh, that's a really crazy name. Not going to lie. Howdy, Chris, but that's a really crazy name, man. Took me 2 seconds to understand, like, whether I'm reading the right one. Howdy, bro, howdy. But as I was saying, right, the reason bench is the worst time, right? Day in life of Infosys on YouTube. Yeah, I'm part of that company, man. I'm part of that company. I can't say it out loud, bro. So the reason bench is bad, right? And I will tell you this right now. Bench, there are good parts. Like, person like me, I hate being on bench because there is uncertainty. I don't like uncertainty. I want to be certain that I will be able to work in a particular technology, advance myself. No, the bench is the worst thing, man. Yeah, no, like, but I will tell you this. It's uncertain, right? And especially in times like right now, when people lose their job, the first people to lose their job is the one on bench because they are not making money. Not making money. Imagine you went through so much. You did like 500 plus lead code problems. You went through like 5 rounds of interview for a whole month. You are dedicated your life of a whole month just to get this. You read books on it, right? So during bench time, you are at the most risk, right? And that's why, yeah, when especially the job market is like, even when it like the best time when to be on bench was, right? And I will say this, for 2 years, I know a guy in Infosys who in America who was on bench for 2 years. You know when? Before COVID. Before like 2 years before COVID. So around 2017, 18 time. And worst part about this, it looks very amazing, but as a person, right? As a person, and I have seen this because I have a lot of friends who are above 30, right? Especially above 30, right? Because who actually went into a job, stopped learning, stopped reading, just like job related stuff. Their 8 hours was the maximum they will actually be thinking about work related or career related stuff. That's the biggest mistake, because your mind is actually like a sponge. The more you make it hard, like it's like body training, going to gym, the more you try, right? The more you make it comfortable learning, the better it will be with time. It's like actually like a LLM model. The better data you make it train, the better it would be. But with just certain amount of data, with just small mistakes, right, you can actually f it up. Not doesn't matter, right? This is the whole idea. A small number of samples poison LLMs of any size. That's actually true with your life too, because if you actually went, I did schooling. I was like in I got selected in IIT, which is like 10,000. Actually, my rank was like around 13,000, but 13K out of 1.5 million people. And I was studying every day, bro. There was like, even on my birthday, I only took out 2 hours to have dinner with my family, right? Half an hour was dedicated to just traveling, 1.5 hours at the restaurant. This was my level, and I fucked up. That's why I want you guys, and I keep stressing about it. Don't make the same mistakes I do, because I keep you guys as a family of mine, right? I keep on telling you, you're like my younger brother. Don't make the mistake. Keep learning, irrespective of like spending 1 hour or 2 hours every day, even during Monday to Friday. This 1 or 2 hours will actually put you millions or decades, minimum decades ahead of anyone around you. No, in the sense like what I fucked. So 13,000, great rank, but actually to get into a good college in IIT, especially, you need a 10,000 plus rank, above 10,000 to get into a good college. So 13,000 is not that good. Yeah, like I was actually happy, right? Yeah, like actually you can, because you actually have a big advantage. I actually didn't get any college. I came to Canada because I will tell you one thing. There was before out of that 1.5 million, there are two types. There are, first is mains, second is the advance. Advance, only people who clear mains get it. In advance, I got 13K rank. In mains, I believe I got like 40 something or 44K. And somebody who actually scored less than me because of their caste system, their religion, blah, 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 they got a better rank. So I was like, you know what? Hell with the Indian education system. If they don't respect my hard work, I will go somewhere else. And I came to Canada, where I got the scholarship. So the reason why I'm in Canada, right? A big reason. But what I'm saying, I was saying the main thing, right? Bench is the worst time. Yeah. Majority, that's the biggest reason of like people going out of India, is because of the reservation system. And they are bringing it to the private companies too. So like a lot of private companies are going to flee India too soon, especially from certain provinces. And I can bet on it right now, if they bring that. And given that, right, what going back to what I was saying, right, do spend 1 or 2 hours, just like even if you watch stream, bro. You know how I got started into like going back? I used to watch this guy so much. This guy is actually somebody who gives better advice than me. He actually is a really good person. Like he was about to ban me because I was annoying, but he, like, watching some of his shorts, not even like full videos, like got me. I'm like, okay, learning every day is important, and I started doing streaming. Just like it. I just like it. In this 1 or 2 hours of LeetCode every day, 1 or 2 hours of try hack me in the morning, that actually I feel I am way better. And even after 2 years of almost like 1 year of this streaming, but 2 years of doing this, so many managers of mine say, bro, how many years of experience you have? I'm in 4+ years, right? But they say it feels like you are in a 7, 8+. right? 2 years of just extra 1, 2 extra hours. They say like the way you talk, the knowledge you have looks like you're way ahead of the game. So first of all, don't be on bench. If you think it's fun, trust me, bench is the worst thing because it can inject you with an infection called laziness. It can inject you with the worst virus of all time called laziness. So don't be on bench. And if you are on bench, right? When I was on bench last month, you know what I was doing? I was taking part in hackathons in my company and networking, talking to all the AI specific people. So I'm currently in talk right now. I'm just keep on forcing him. I'm planning to do something with the AI so I can show him and get. So don't let the laziness happen to you. That's all. Like I'm telling you, just that was my biggest mistake because when I was on bench, I became lazy. Don't be lazy. One thing I do with work from home, I go to library at my near my house, right? So I'm just outside of the house. I need to get the fuck out of my house every morning. It's the worst. It's the worst thing, man. It's the worst thing. Trust me. So sorry for the rant, but I think like as because I consider you as my family, right? I want to explain to you how things work. Learn LeetCode, especially if you are new or if you're anybody, right? Whoever it is, LeetCode. This should be your main goal. Every day, try one problem, right? Nah, bro, never, never. Because actually, what you say, you actually hear that too. I don't want to hear people say that to me, and I don't want to say it to other people because I don't want to hear myself. No, bro, less competition is actually the worst thing. Let me give you an example. How about that? Less competition, how about that? I will give you the best example. You ready? Why I will tell you, yes, a lot of competition is really bad because it's like kills people, stress is not good, right? But a healthy amount of competition is important. Why? Yeah, you are influenced, right? Like if I told you not to do LeetCode, will you stop? No, I will not stop. But it's 100%. The fact is, I will stop listening to you, right? If I'm the person who is actually like knows what is right and wrong, I will stop listening to you, which is bad for you because you lost a person who is actually motivated and want to do things, right? Are you telling one person to be lazy? Doesn't matter, bro. Infection like COVID started from one person, right? We saw what happened for to the whole world in 2 days, and this has been going on. Greed is like that. Yeah, I won't stop. But I'm saying is, I want to say is, you and I will keep a distance because you are thinking I will create less competition. But then once you say to someone, "Hey, don't do LeetCode," right? The person will come to you like, "Hey, let's hang out." You will get affected. Like the world karma is actually a thing. Yeah. So the person who actually wants to will actually distance you, and the person who would stop LeetCode will come near you. Do you really want that? And what I was saying with the competition, right? Think about this. People's 2000 2024 NEET controversy. NEET is one of the exams used in India for medical, right? India's medical exam. Less competition. Imagine you got a doctor. You are a patient, right? Need help, right? You got a doctor who thought, competition is not that good for me. I will pay my way in, right? Pay my way in. Cheat. Or, right, this reservation system. Or is lazy. He's lazy. Why he's lazy? How he's lazy? He cleared the interview, right? He cleared the exam, but now after, let's say, 2-3 years of clearing, getting his degree, getting his credentials, right? After 2 years, he stopped studying. So let's say a new virus came in. You are showing symptoms of that, but he doesn't know about that. You are the one. You are the one, not him. He got his money, man. He got his money. So always stay away from lazy people too. Motivate them, try to help them. If they can't, you move away from them. Get the fuck away from them. It's okay. In this world, at the end of the day, you just really will be at the end of the day, you will end up with like only, I will say, 7-8 people, handful of people who are not your family in your life. So it's okay. Get away with get away from majority of the people. Majority of the people, like, you don't even have to tell people that not to do LeetCode, because so many times I have told people, hey, study this thing. So many people, yeah, no, like, but like, so many people are actually lazy. So many people are actually lazy. You don't even have to tell them to be lazy. They are actually lazy, bro. Okay, one guy I listened to so much, right? And this interview I have watched so many times. Kobe Bryant. Last interview, what was the name of the company? Value. Okay. See what he says.
Better lead.
And this is a beast, right? This is a guy who is a beast. I want to get the transcript. Is there transcript here? Process of making a decision. I think work ethic is the one.
Stories about your work ethic.
Yeah.
What was really your work ethic like, and for how long did you stay disciplined?
No. Value entertainment. Here.
Trivial things weren't going to pull my attention. It had to be things weren't going to pull my attention. It had to be things that were, I had a purpose. I wanted to be one of the best basketball players to ever play. And anything else that was outside of that lane, I didn't have time for.
At what age did that goal become crystal clear?
I made that deal with myself at 13 years old.
At 13 years old?
13 years old. That's the
you
deal
were
I made.
crystal clear about it?
Crystal clear.
And where did inspiration come from?
The love of the game. The love of the game, the challenge. Like, I would watch Magic play, I'd watch Michael play, and I would see them do these unbelievable things, and I'd say, you know, can I get to that level? I don't know, but let's find out.
So, first of all, love what you do. Everybody says that. Like, everybody says that who has got where they are. Mindset of a winner. Here.
Let me ask you. So that's high school. You go into the league. When you're going into the league, you're going with a lot of guys that were, you know, same age, you know, same class as you were going in.
Yeah.
Were you sizing those guys up the same exact way as you did in high school?
I did, but, you know, in the NBA, it was actually easier. Because what I found in the NBA is a lot of guys played for financial stability. And when they came to the NBA, they got that financial stability. So therefore, the passion and the work ethic and the obsessiveness was gone. So I'm looking at that, I'm like, oh my God, it's gonna be like taking candy from a baby. No wonder Mike wins all these championships. It's like, this is crazy.
You see, like, as soon as people get the money, as soon as people like are able to do stuff, they are able to like they are become lazy, right? And one last person I will talk who exactly said another same thing. Think the name was Quick Card. Taneja. I forgot his name. No. Quick card. Who's going to carry the boards? What? I don't get it, man. Taneja. He's part of my... Let me get his name. It's in my personal directory, probably. Because I know the person personally. And he's like Forbes 40 under 40 in Asia. if I'm not wrong. Come on, give me that. Oh, fucking hell. Chirag Taneja. So this guy, right? I'll tell you about this. This guy is, I think, Forbes 40 under 40. I know him personally, right? I have talked to him. Interesting. Go Quick. That's the company name. I think it is like $1 billion now. Something really big valuation. Latest round 2025, 13 million, boosted his valuation to 450 million pre-money, right? So this guy, Go Quick, right? This guy actually, he told me this thing when I was, I think, in 12, when I met him for the first time, or 11th or 12th. He said, and I quote, "It's very hard to start a company after you are comfortable sitting in an office with AC." That's a very interesting thing, because I was like, but you are making with this company, you are doing so good, right? And he's like, no, it was the worst, it was the hardest thing to do, because I was so comfortable. And this guy is really smart when it comes to coding and business. So, like this guy specifically, right? So, trust me, laziness can actually, like, imagine if he just became a bit lazy, he won't have like a company worth $450 million. That too in India. It's crazy. Ketchup, here's the company I was looking for. He was the co-founder of that company around this time. I met him in 2017. So that's what I'm talking about. Like, trust me, laziness, you have no idea what laziness can kill, right? And just don't be lazy, no matter what. No matter what. If you just have a good goal, just work towards it. Whether it's to have like a great body, be diabetes free. Yeah, yeah. But I just want to tell you, because we talked about bench, it just came out. But going back to our stuff, right? Going back to our algorithm, and properly locking in till we do this. We have our sell, buy and sell, right? But I just want to share you. I want to tell you this, and I hope this helps you. Sure, I'll give you that. Flex zone sounds good, but give me 1 minute. I'll complete this. So we have prices, and I have, let's say, I and J with 2-pointer approach. I want to do it, right? So while I less than length of prices, and J less than length of prices, I comma J 0 0 comma 0. Yeah, let's get this thing out of the way, man. So we have I and J. While I less than J, and our algorithm said we have max, and we just need to give max profit as 0. if prices I prices good to go. Oh, sounds good. Oh yeah, it's Saturday for you. All the best, brother. All the best, and I will talk to you whenever. Like I think when I wake up, I will give you a shout out if you are available. Thank you for joining, Idor. Have a good day, man. All the best. Max profit. Max profit equal to this. Yes. Else. Not if price day. I should be the, instead of I want to do sell, or instead of I should be buy, J should be sell. Easier to remember. So buy index, sell index, whatever. Let's do good coding. Index right? If this profit is greater than the max profits, the new profit will be this. Else if prices on buy index is greater than prices sell index, if buy is equal to sell index, yeah, they both become equal. Sell index plus equals 1. So we have buy and sell. If sell minus buy greater than the current profit, this becomes the new profit. If buy price is greater than the sell price, new buy price is this, and we go for the next sell price. Let's see if this works. Dettol skincare. I love the names today that are coming, man. No condom Chris, Dettol skincare. Everything is interesting today. Howdy, man. Thank you so much for the follow. Holy. Today is an interesting day for sure. Okay. Output null. Oh, I didn't return anything. I have no. It's interesting. I like it though. This is fun day today. Yo lads, also because you guys are new, right? There is a sponsorship going on, and based on the sponsorship, whatever money I make, I distribute in giveaway. Yeah, I was thinking just one problem today, because I try to do at least one. Also, if you guys are new, right, just download the game from here, play for 15 minutes. Yeah, actually, like per user, I make $4. What I do, whatever I get after taxes, I put it in the giveaway in my Discord. Here's the Discord. Whatever I get, I do it in the giveaway, and giveaways are basically like whatever you guys like. You guys can have. I do a lot of time the subscription of like one of the hacking services, but if you want, I can just send you like the money I got in through PayPal or something. That's all. So I just try to like keep the community, like things are super expensive, so I just try to give it back. I don't need like the money right now. I'm happy. So what is spec for actually? I have no idea what this command is for actually. Sorry, I have to set up a bunch of commands. I'm not the best at it. What's spec for? Oh, my specs. I can give you that. I can set it up. That one I can set it up and I can get you, man. Okay, sounds good. That's actually interesting. Master Oge Ogebe? Ugwe. Master Ugwe. Bro, I'm done. I don't know what's happening to me today. Let's see if it works. Oh, it worked. Later. So beat 61% of them, and let's do a time complexity analysis on our stuff. So in this case, I think it's, yeah, it is ON, which is really good. We got like ON algorithm. That's really good. Yeah. My English today, like I've been drinking tea at like 11 p.m. because I was really tired today. Yeah. But I'm actually studying for this certificate. If you actually want to be in DevOps, I this is a really good certificate. I don't need it, but I want to study for it because Kubernetes is like a really interesting software, really powerful, and yeah, my company is moving to that, right, in some project. So I want to be the in charge of it. I want to take part in it. So yeah, dude, this is another level of how to say zehar, another poison. I'm going, but this is really good, man. This is a really good certificate, and if anybody wants to study with me for this, Discord is the way. I come here and I hang out in the where is it? The general chat area. I hang out there. I just do that. Sure, sounds good. I will watch it. I'm too scared to open it publicly for you, especially from you. Okay. And every time you do something, do it in the flex zone. Do push it. Oh, you beat it at 100%. Damn. You have been beating it at 100%, huh? I'm not afraid of you. Hell no. Yeah. But hopefully you guys are happy like this one. Maybe I can. Wait, what is your time complexity? Even if you beat it at 100%, what was your time complexity? I think like if. Okay, I will watch it, but I'm going to do this one quick thing because I want to show what it is. Max index. If I just do this, this will make it so much faster. So. These small things which I personally would like the way I was doing, and it should be done in my opinion. This is, just see. From 83 millisecond to 59 millisecond. So there are certain things. That's why I always go for like time complexity with the zero, the ON notation. So which is ON for this one. The algorithm we did, it is ON. But like the ON. But the way like these milliseconds are not the best way to judge. That's just one thing I will tell everyone. Okay. Sure, bro. Wrench, I will watch the video after this. But yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today. Is there any other algorithm? Is there any other problem you want me to do next time? My plan is like length of last word on Monday. Okay. The length of last one, and then I will go into valid palindrome and is sequence. Like I will just do the easy ones first. I will complete all the easy ones in top 150 interview, and then I will start with like other ones as well. Medium and then so forth. Yeah. But maybe I want to do the competition too, which is coming soon. I think there's a competition, right, tomorrow? Not practice. No, I didn't want you. You said you were done, so. Oh, 10 LeetCode bots. So there is like this starting tomorrow, PST 6 p.m., and this is 6 a.m. PST. So let's see. Start path? Where is the start path? Where? What do you want? Where do you want me to click the start path? Oh, the LeetCode 150? Oh, start. Okay. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Oh, I like that. I commit to solve at least one problem every, like, during the weekday. Yeah, I like that. Why it says. Okay, 15 started there. I like that. Thank you. Yeah, this is a good plan to do it. Well, alrighty, lads. I think that was it for today, right? If you can, please download this Roblox through the link I sent. You have to download the link from the link. I'll just, if I go myself on this, I can just show you. Sure. So just scan this QR code, right? Once you scan this, App Store or Google Play will open. Download Roblox, make account, play it for 15 minutes. I will be able to see, and we'll do a giveaway soon. So that's how we will do it. Till then, thank you so much, everyone. Hope you have a great weekend. I will come tomorrow just to play some games, so I can I just want this Roblox things completed. These category and blah blah blah, whatever they want me to do. Yeah, that's all I want to get done before the thing runs out, the sponsorship runs out. But till then, thank you so much, and I will see you on Monday for some try hack me, right? And yeah, that's all I have for you. Like, see you for try hack me. We'll finish our path, and then at night on Monday we'll do another one or two easy LeetCode problems, but from interview 150. So thank you so much. Have a great day. This is your favorite censored hacker, the neighborhood friendly neighborhood hacker who loves playing, building, and destroying the algorithms everywhere he goes. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye. Be straight, don't swing the wrong way. Holy. Okay. Good night, lads. Nah, Anshul. Okay, thank you, lads. Thanks for coming, Anshul. Thanks, man. Thanks, Wrench. Thanks, Dettol Skincare. Thank you. No Condom Chris. And Idor. Thank you, lads. No, not that too. No. Thank you. You guys are crazy, man. You guys are crazy.